day of Christmas, my true love gave to me a carburetor needing to be cleaned. On the second day of Christmas, my true love gave to me two Tecumsehs leaking and a carburetor needing to be cleaned. On the third day of Christmas, my true love gave to me three flat tires, two Tecumsehs leaking, and a carburetor needing to be cleaned. On the fourth day of Christmas, my true love gave to me four broken blowers, three flat tires, two Tecumsehs leaking, and a carburetor needing to be cleaned. On the fifth day of Christmas, my true love gave to me five piston rings, four broken blowers, three flat tires, two Tecumsehs leaking, and a carburetor needing to be cleaned. On the sixth day of Christmas, my true love gave to me six blades to sharpen, five piston rings, four broken blowers, three flat tires, two Tecumsehs leaking, and a carburetor needing to be cleaned. On the seventh day of Christmas, my true love gave to me seven rewind sprung, six blades to sharpen, five piston rings, four broken blowers, three flat tires, two Tecumsehs leaking, and a carburetor needing to be cleaned. On the eighth day of Christmas, my true love gave to me eight greasy bearings, seven rewind sprung, six blades to sharpen, five piston rings, four broken blowers, three flat tires, two Tecumsehs leaking, and a carburetor needing to be cleaned. On the ninth day of Christmas, my true love gave to me nine heads to spool, eight greasy bearings, seven rewind sprung, six blades to sharpen, five piston rings, four broken blowers, three flat tires, two Tecumsehs leaking, and a carburetor needing to be cleaned. On the 10th day of Christmas, my true love gave to me 10 chains to cut, 9 heads to spool, 8 greasy bearings, 7 rewind sprung, 6 blades to sharpen, 5 piston rings, 4 broken blowers, 3 flat tires, 2 Tecumsehs leaking, and a carburetor needing to be cleaned. On the 11th day of Christmas, my true love gave to me 11 stock orders, 10 chains to cut, 9 heads to spool, 8 greasy bearings, 7 rewind sprung, 6 blades to sharpen, 5 piston rings, 4 broken blowers, 3 flat tires, 2 Tecumsehs leaking, and a carburetor needing to be cleaned. On the 12th day of Christmas, my true love gave to me the GOOLOO GT3000. Oh, it's what I've always wanted. Thank you, honey.
So I hope y'all had as much fun watching that as we did making it, but let me introduce you to the brand new GOOLOO GT3000 jump starter. All right, so before we take this bad boy outside and put it to the test, let's go over some of its accessories and options. It does come with a carrying bag for it and all of its cables. Easy connect booster clamps to jumpstart your battery. A charging cable for the auxiliary port of your vehicle, so it will send actually 100 watts of power to the GOOLOO if you want to charge, or if you want to charge something else, 100 watts of power the other way. And an adapter for you to be able to hook up your car's emergency air compressor. And it also comes with charging cables that are USB to USB-C and USB-C to USB-C, which you can use to actually charge this with a charging block. What's awesome on the new GOOLOOs is it actually comes with a 3-inch LCD digital screen display. And last but not least, it also comes with a flashlight. So we've got full 400 lumens. The SOS strobe effect. It's awesome. So without further ado, let's take it outside and see how good this bad boy works. So this is my 1999 Ford F-250 7.3 liter Power Stroke engine, and it is dead. D-E-D. Let me show you. It ain't gonna start. So let's try out the GOOLOO and see what it does. All right, so we have the GOOLOO out. It's super light, compatible, easy, and it's the most powerful booster there is. So I'm gonna put my clamps on here. And it's going to turn on automatically. Now I need lots of power to start this bad boy, so I'm gonna hit the boost button, clicks, and I'm gonna start it. Okay, that starts it so fast. I mean, I'll never be stuck again. Now, for years, we used the Stanley Fat Max around the shop, and it's good for what it's worth, but seriously, this thing is heavy to lug around, and it's only a third the power of the GOOLOO GT3000. All right, to just show you the difference between the GOOLOO GT3000 and the old Stanley that we've been using forever, I'm gonna go ahead and turn this on and try to start the truck. That's about all it's got. So let's put on the GOOLOO. It's easy, compact. It will start right away. We're going to hit the boost. It's clicked. It started up. Awesome. On top of that, this thing has a 24-month standby time, so charge it up and don't even think about it again until you need it. So guys, if you want to get your own GOOLOO GT3000, the most powerful, compact jump starter there is on the market, I will leave a link in the description box below. Also, if you're looking for gifts this Christmas, I have Chicanic shirts on my Chicanic.com shop page. Go check it out. We have hoodies, long sleeves, and t-shirts. And if you're a fan of saving time, money, and frustration while fixing your own small engine equipment with in-depth tutorials, you have come to the right place, because that's what I do. I upload about 2 to 3 times a week, and if that sounds interesting, hit that like button, smash that subscribe, and don't forget to hit the notification bell.